All right, welcome back. As you can tell, we're still working on the table saw station, just the last few updates that we need to do. Last time you saw me, I had a 4-inch blade in the jigsaw station. I went ahead and got a 10-inch blade. The thing is that it will wobble a bit. So I went ahead and made a boom for that and a guide to keep the blade straight and keep it from wandering. So that's what I'm gonna be putting in right now. As you can tell, I also put a coat of shellac, amber shellac on there, and then a coat of lacquer over, and that would give it some extra protection from the wear and tear. But it is a shop unit, and of course we'll get some wear, but not a big deal. What I was working on before was the feet. It is on wheels, and I don't want it to move around when I'm working on it or sliding a piece through the table saw. So I did add some feet that will raise it up maybe about a 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch off the ground. So once I put the lock down, then the table saw is not going to move at all on me. So let me finish up the jigsaw station, and I'm going to go ahead and start making the drawers and the cabinets on all the sides here. And that's where I'm going to be putting a lot of my tools. I can finally empty out these and just organize it a lot better, and also show you how I make my French cleat system and my shelves for those. So, all right, stay tuned.